guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is truly captivating and easy to recreate. I will guide you step by step and show you the brushes I use. So if you want to give it a try, keep watching the rest of the video. To start, I use a light purple eyeshadow as the base. I apply this eyeshadow across my entire eyelid using this brush style. Instead of this brush, you can use a blending brush or any brush type that you find comfortable. But it's better to use a fluffy one to blend the eyeshadow seamlessly across the entire eyelid. Next, I use the same previous brush and dip it into the dark purple eyeshadow. Apply the eyeshadow near your lash line on your eyelid and blend it well with sweeping motions to ensure there are no harsh lines and the eyeshadow covers the entire lid nicely. I absolutely love this glitter eye makeup look. You can recreate this stunning eye makeup using simple eyeshadows as well. Additionally, I provide all the product information in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Next, I use a black eyeshadow that you can find in most eyeshadow palettes. With a small flat brush, I apply the black eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid. The reason I chose this brush is that blending black eyeshadow can be a bit challenging, so with this flat brush, you can blend the black eyeshadow as much as possible. Then if there are any patchiness or harsh lines, you can blend them out with a blending brush or a fluffy brush. Make sure to not apply too much black eyeshadow because blending it can be difficult. It's better to gradually add the black eyeshadow, and when you are satisfied with the color intensity, you can use a larger brush and take your time to blend it well for a clean, smoky result. Take a smaller brush and apply the same black eyeshadow to your lower lash line. I extend the eyeshadow all the way to the middle. Just trust the process and apply the eyeshadow in this way, extending it at the outer corner of the lower lash line. Next, my favorite part is the glitter. This is a glitter powder and I prefer to apply to the center of my eyelid using my finger. You can choose these eyeshadows in your favorite eyeshadow palettes. See how glitter truly enhances your eye makeup and adds a stunning touch. I personally love it. I also apply this white glitter to the inner corner of my lower lash line using a smaller brush. It truly looks beautiful and sparkling. Next, I use an eyeliner brush to draw a winged eyeliner. I usually extend the eyeliner until the middle of my eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can extend it from the beginning of your eyelid if you prefer. Next, I use an eyeliner brush again. For this part, I dampen the brush slightly with water and dip it into the glitter powder. Then I carefully draw a glitter line right above the eyeliner step by step. This can be a bit challenging with loose glitter powder, so you could even use liquid eyeliner for easier application. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video so far. This eye makeup is very attractive and gorgeous, making it a suitable choice for special occasions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye!
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. I'm just bitch, feeling every day. All I wanna hear